So something I've been really stubborn about with our app, Stork Credit, is making sure that everything lives in Shopify. And so when we built it, we wanted to make it really easy for people to issue Stork Credit to their customers without having to leave the Shopify dashboard. And so we've got tools here like our templates here, which let you choose all of these rewards for giving people money after they place an order. We've also built our Shopify Flow connector, which lets you build custom rewards for giving credit to people. We've built the bulk import feature so you can import from a CSV. But what we found is there were quite a few cases where people actually need to be able to issue store credit in another way. So a great example we had come up on the weekend is that someone wants to reward customers for leaving a review, and they're using the Klaviyo reviews platform. So what we've gone and built this external trigger here, which is essentially a webhook. And for those that aren't technical, all you need to know is that it means that you can now, within any app that has the ability to send out a webhook notification, you can now issue store credit from that app. So this is essentially tailored almost for Klaviyo, and I'm going to show you how it works in Klaviyo Flow, but there's lots of other use cases for that, whether you're wanting to integrate it with your support platform, whether you've got a custom app you want to use as well, or you've got a custom POS system, whatever it is, you can now issue store credit in Shopify using this function. So the documentation will explain how it works. It should be all pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to show you the example here. We've now got in Klaviyo Flow, so this is Klaviyo here. You can see I've just got our welcome email flow there. All I've done here is added a webhook. So if you wanted to add a new webhook, you just go add data and then webhook. But I've got one here already, and you can see we've just pasted the details in there. We've then copied the JSON object, which you've got the example of it there anyway. And so you can change the amount, you can choose the currency, you can put a message in there and then give it an ID as well. And then once that's done, anytime someone enters that flow, you're issuing them store credit. And then that also means you can then add in whatever emails you want to be sent after that. So you're managing it all through Klaviyo. And so, if you've got a journey where you want to send them reminders or, you want to send it based on other logic in Klaviyo, we've essentially built a Klaviyo connector so that you can issue store credit out of Klaviyo. And so then once that's done, so I'm not going to walk you through the whole flow, but once the credit's issued, here's a customer account in Shopify. You can see here that, we've got the flow ran yesterday at 7:36 on this customer, and we issued the $10 store credit for them. So it all appears here, goes into their store credit balance in Shopify. You can see the adjustment there. You can see it was made by Stork Credit. And if we wanted to put expiry date on it, we can, because that's how store credit works in Shopify. It's a brilliant feature. It's something that all merchants should be looking at using in the lead up to peak season this year. Find different ways to engage with your customers using store credit.